right, buddy?
Yeah, sure, kid. There you go.
And your wallet.
Nick, give him your wallet.
What for?
He's got a knife.
That's not a knife. That's a knife.
Welcome to this video today, which is all about the profit per trade you need to make to succeed at Forex trading. And just like in the video clip there, where he says that is not a knife, what is not a profit in Forex trading? Well, when you look around online, you see profit objectives, and you see it so frequently, traders aiming for 25 to 50 pips. That is not a profit in Forex trading that will help you win longer term. It's basically too small. There's a huge movement on the net that says that you can do this. Take 25, 50 pip profits and make money. Many people can claim you can do it every day. All you have to do is go around the forums like Baby Pips and Forex Factory to see traders bragging about 25 pips or 50 pips they've made. They're either people selling systems, or they're people who are just basic losers who haven't got anything better to do than hang around a forum. There is a big movement on the net towards day trading and scalping. It's promoted, as I've said before, by brokers who want you to lose money, trade a lot, and also the system sellers who want to appeal to the greed and naivety of traders. Any experienced trader knows you don't make money day trading or scalping 5-minute charts, all that nonsense. You actually have to look longer term, and you basically will need to work out a profit objective depending on the type of strategy you're using. Now, if you're swing trading, which is a popular strategy, overbought, oversold, you're looking for trades that are going to last 1 to 3 days. That's the sort of normal duration, maybe a little bit longer. And you can use a fairly tight stop. Now, in swing trading, my stops would be like 50 to 100 pips. A lot of people might be saying, well, that's quite a bit. Well, if you look at volatility in Forex markets, just in a day, you can have 200 pip ranges. So you've got to have a reasonable amount of room to your stop to get outside of that random volatility. So in swing trading, I'd say 50 to 100 pips at a stop loss. That's what I would normally use. And if you're doing that and you're making 50% of your trades and getting them right, and you're getting 50% wrong, you're obviously going to have to cover those losses. So my objective is 150 pips plus 200 pips if I can get it. And that's the sort of level I'm looking for. And you need to make sure that you're covering those losses in swing trading. So 200 pips, that's a good objective in my view. And I do that on a lot of my swing trades. Now, long-term trend following is different. You are going to basically probably lose, probably 70% of your trades in trend following. Most trend followers do. But of course, they're looking for big profits. So in trend following, I'm normally looking to use stops 100, 200 pips back. But on the other hand, I'm not looking for anything less than 300, 400 pips. And sometimes even more. And just holding those long-term trends. So depends on the strategy you use, but you need to have a sort of realistic profit objective in terms of the stop loss that you have to take in terms of market volatility. Now, a lot of traders have a problem. They might set a profit objective, but they're always tempted to bank early, or they make a fatal mistake, which is moving their stop too close to protect their profit. And this is something that you must avoid in any form of trading. You mustn't move stops just for the sake of it. See, a lot of people say, move your stop to break even, you've created a risk-free trade. No, you haven't. You've probably actually done yourself out of a good profit opportunity if the setup is good. You don't want to waste good profit opportunities by moving stops to break even for no good reason. Other traders will actually jack the stop up behind the day's low just to lock in some profit, any profit at all, because they're nervous about the trade. You shouldn't do that either. You should only bring the stop up when market conditions dictate it. Otherwise, you stick with your objective. And the real fatal error that traders make is when a market breaks for them, they suddenly get up to a high in the market, and then they suddenly think, oh, I've got good profit, I'll take it. You should never, as a general rule, take a profit when the market is trading at a high of the day. Because that's telling you something. It's probably going to follow through tomorrow. So I think, when you're trading Forex and you're looking for profits per trade, I've just given you some general ideas there. But also, always keep in mind that once you get in a trade, you've got to basically stick with your objective and basically don't move to grab a profit too quickly or put a stop in an area which can basically be picked off. And by that I mean, if it's not behind a level of support in an uptrend or behind a level of resistance in a downtrend, never just move that stop just for the sake of it. I think one of the major challenges of Forex trading is dealing with uncertainty. You're basically on your own, and you have to get used to that, and you have to get used to holding your discipline, not just to cut your losses, but stick with your profit objectives as well. I always think this comes from basic education, knowing what you're doing, having a strategy that suits you. I've said numerous times, you'll never make money following anyone else's strategy. You have to make it your own. And I think that most traders, they don't do this. They trade with a lack of confidence, which leads to a lack of discipline. So my view is, make sure that any strategy you use is fully researched by you. You're comfortable with it, and you've got confidence in it, so you can stick with it with discipline. You don't just need discipline to cut losses in Forex trading. You also need to have discipline to hold and take your profits at the right time. You're not looking for perfection. You're never going to catch those market turns. You're looking to get a good chunk of the trend. So I hope that the points in this video have helped a little bit. And if you need any help or assistance at any time, always email me and I'm pleased to answer queries. Thank you very much for watching me. Take care. Have a good day.